Part 2 tayo class, dito pa rin sa sample problem natin. Okay, ang hinahanap naman po dito ngayon is yung reaction at O. So, paano natin makukuha yung reaction at O? Yung O po natin class is hinge, automatic, meron po siyang vertical component and horizontal component. Okay, so para makuha natin yung horizontal component, ang gagawin lang natin is summation force lang tayo ng x is equal to 0 pakanan is positive. So, ganyan muna, no? So, OX, yan, kung makikita nyo, andito si OX. OX minus, eto, TAB cosine 33.69. Which is yung TAB natin, class, is 100.685 cosine 33.69 is equal to 0. So, kunin ko lang ulit yung aking calculator. Saan yung calculator ko? Yan. Wala na. Tumagal na. So, ayan. Gagawin lang natin dyan. Ang ating value is 100.685 cosine 33.69. It is 83.804. So, ang OX po natin, class, is 83.804 kilonewtons. Tapos, next naman, class, kunin yan naman natin yung summation force ng Y or moment, no? So, para makuha natin si OY, summation force tayo ng Y is equal to 0. Upward positive na lang. Okay? So, kung makikita nyo, nandito po si OY natin, positive. Tapos, minus tayo ng weight. Minus tayo ng weight na 100. Yan ba yung weight natin kanina? 176.58. Minus po ulit tayo ng TAB. Ito, kung mapapansin nyo, OYW tapos TAB sin 33.69. So, TAB natin is 100.685 sin 33.69 is equal to 0. So, para ma-solve natin yan, so 176.58 plus 100 sin 33.69. So, ang lalabas po dyan, 232.049. OY is 049 kilonewtons. So, syempre, para makuha po natin yung reaction yan, reaction at O is equal to square root lang naman po ng OX squared plus OY squared. Diba? Pythagorean theorem lang. So that yung RO natin will be square root po ng 83.804 squared plus 232.049 squared. This one will be 246.72. 72 newtons. Okay? So, ito na, class, ang magiging sagot natin for this question. Thank you so much.